Hey YouTubers, today I have for you a set of magnets. You guys can get 50 of them in here. Let me open this up. You can use these for crafts, use them raw right on the refrigerator, glue them to things. There's different purposes you could use these for. Here they actually are. You see these are pretty powerful. Okay, here's one all by itself. All different kinds of purposes for these. You can also use this as a stress reliever. Just keep there sitting here and bend them into different shapes and see what you can come up with. Kind of relaxing. So all different purposes for this. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment if you would. Look for information about my monthly giveaways, and have a good day.